welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Callie. What's popping, what's good, what's going on? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're just gonna jump straight into it because I forgot to record an intro. But yeah, I'm gonna start by using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just using this to carve out my brows, and then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline concealer on top of that. For my eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be taking my Jackie palette. This is my first time using this palette, but I'm gonna be taking the shade Ginger and applying that in my transition area. And then I'm gonna go in with edges to deepen it up. This palette is so bomb and it really is worth all your coins. Right now it's on sale on the website. It's only $28, so I will leave a link to that in the description box. I'm taking the shade Credit and deepening up my crease. That word sounded so weird, but yeah, I wanted my crease to be a lot darker, so I'm just taking this shade and building it up until I get the desired darkness. You really want to focus this color above your lid since we will be doing a cut crease today. For all my girls that have hooded eyes, I recommend you get this product. It prevents the shadow from transferring from your lid into your crease, and it's just bomb, period. Plus it's very affordable, but I'm just gonna be using this to carve out my crease, well, my lid area, to apply my eyeshadow. I'm taking the shade Zam and Soleil, and I am just packing this all over on my lid. You do not need to use concealer to carve out your crease. I'm just using the eyeshadow to carve out my lid. Taking the same brush I used to apply that dark shade and just blending everything together to ensure there's no harsh lines. To prime my face, I'm using my Makeup Revolution primer, and I will just be applying this on my cheeks and T-zone area. Now I'm going in with translucent powder to lightly set my face. This ensures that my makeup lasts a lot longer. To highlight, I'm going in with my Maybelline concealer once again. This is the truth. I absolutely love this concealer. I use it in every single one of my videos. I know you're probably tired of seeing it, but it's just bomb. I have yet to find another good drugstore concealer, so. Blending out your highlighter, you just want to take your time. If you're using a sponge like me, just slowly buff the product into your skin. Instead of dragging it in, just try to press the product into your skin. To set my face, I'm using my Black Radiance Loose Powder. This is honestly a dupe for the Sacha Buttercup. I discovered this powder on Amazon for $5 and I have not put it down ever since. It is bomb. It gives me a flawless finish, no flashback, and it is so cheap. So you need to get your hands on this product now. Reverse contour, I'm taking my Milani loose powder in medium deep. This is another great affordable drugstore product that everyone needs in their life. By the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and share this video so that more people can see it. We are almost at 100 subscribers and I'm really trying to hit that goal soon. So yeah, thank you so much. For highlighter, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Crown of My Canopy, and I am just placing this on my cheekbones. I'm taking a smudge brush in the shade Credit and just smoking that out on my lash line. And to further blend out the shade, I'm going back in with edges and a small blending brush and just smudging. Yeah, I'm just gonna smudge that shadow basically. I'm going in with my Dollar Tree lip liner in dark brown, and I am just going to line my lips, and I will be placing a velvet nude lipstick on top. For gloss, I'm using this Milani lip gloss in Soft Rose. This is the perfect nude color. I am obsessed. I recently got this product from Amazon as well. Y'all already know, you gotta love how some drugstore products, okay? Period. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am obsessed with this look. She's giving me grown but classy vibes as always. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!